So about 10 years ago, as dermatologists, we used to say, hey, food doesn't affect acne. But there have been really great, highly powered studies in the past 10 years that have been shown that there are a few foods that can really precipitate acne flares. So in general, the three kind of foods that have been shown to precipitate acne flares are high glycemic foods. So things that are starchy, deep fried, white bread, French fries, those types of things, because it turns on insulin-like growth factors in the skin cells, and overproduction of hormones can then lead to some of that acne breakout. Number two, interestingly, milk can precipitate acne. And of the studies, skim milk has been shown to be the biggest culprit. Again, potentially due to the fact that the fat has been removed, so that milk is entering to the digestive cycle right away and spurring insulin-like factors. Whole milk has been shown to be less acne causing, so that's really interesting. The supplements that bodybuilders take, those also all the time can precipitate acne, like whey protein, creatine, all those kind of hormonally disruptive proteins.